In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invite link on Snapchat. First, open Snapchat and sign into your account. Once you launch the app, you'll be greeted by the camera screen. This is your main view where you can take pictures or videos. If you are already logged in, you will see your camera interface. If it's your first time, enter your credentials to access your account. This step is crucial because it allows you to access your personal chats and groups. If you have forgotten your password or face any issues signing in, follow the prompts to recover your account. Next, swipe right from the camera screen to open the chat screen. This action takes you away from the camera view and opens up your chat history. On this screen, you can see all your recent messages and conversations. This is where you'll find your group chats along with one-on-one chats with friends. Navigating to this screen is essential because it leads you to the group chat you want to invite others to. Once you are in the chat screen, open the group chat you want to invite people to. If you don't have a group chat yet, you'll need to create a new one first. To create a new group, tap the new chat icon and select multiple friends to start your group conversation. Opening the right group chat is vital because only existing groups can have invitation links created. This ensures that the right people are included in your discussions. Now tap the group name at the top of the chat. This action brings up the group settings and options available for you. You will see the group name prominently displayed along with options to manage the group. Tapping the group name is important because it allows you to access functions specifically for that group, including the link sharing feature. You will notice various settings related to the group, enhancing your control over it. Next, tap Invite via link or Share link, depending on your app version. This option lets you generate a unique link for your group chat. By inviting others via a link, you simplify the process of adding new members. This step is significant as it allows easy access for friends who want to join your group without having to search for it manually. You'll see a prompt indicating that the link is being generated, confirming that the action is successful. After that, choose Copy Link or share the link through another app. Copying the link saves it to your clipboard, making it easy to paste elsewhere. Alternatively, you can directly share the link through messaging apps like WhatsApp or email. This flexibility is important because it allows you to reach out to friends on different platforms. Once you have selected your preferred sharing method, you'll receive a confirmation that the link has been shared successfully. Finally, send the invite link to the people you want to join your group. They can tap the link and accept the invitation to join, provided they have Snapchat installed. This final step is crucial as it brings your friends into the conversation. Once they accept the invite, they will automatically be added to your group chat. You can feel reassured knowing that your friends will easily join the fun and discussions within the group. Remember, only existing members of a group chat can create and share an invite link. This keeps your group secure and ensures that only trusted members can invite others. With this process complete, you can now enjoy a vibrant group chat with friends on Snapchat.